Hi, I'm Risa, a 32-year-old licensed teacher from Philippines. I hold a bachelor's degree in education, majoring in special education, which has equipped me with the knowledge and skills to cater diverse learning needs. With 1 year of teaching experience in an inclusive classroom setting, I've developed an expertise in handling both regular and special needs students. I handled students from grade 3 to grade 6. Additionally, I've spent 7 years as tutoring center operator and tutor, teaching one-on-one and group of students from kindergarten to elementary. I believe that every student is a unique individual with their own strengths, needs, and learning style. As a student-centered educator, I prioritize creating a supportive and inclusive learning environment that fosters curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking. My approach focuses on building strong relationships with students, encouraging active participation and engagement, adapting instruction to meet diverse learning needs, fostering a growth of mindset and a love of learning. As a married mother of two, I understand the importance of patience, empathy, and creativity in teaching. With my TEFL, TESOL, TEYL, C1 English Proficiency certifications, I'm committed in delivering quality instruction. I'm excited to bring my skills and experience to a new cultural context and contribute to shaping young minds. Thank you for considering my application. I'm eager to discuss how my passion to teaching and my expertise can benefit your students. I look forward to the opportunity to work with you.